Hi guys, Captain Nick Pavlakis here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. First off, I want to thank every single one of you for tuning in every week. Hit that subscribe button, turn those notifications on, because you're not going to want to miss this. Today we are on a 330 Outrage by Boston Whaler, an absolute fishing machine with family capabilities. Now let me show you around. Up here at the helm, something that everybody's going to get a real kick out of at home is the new 16-inch Raymarine screen. The amount of detail that goes into these fish finders nowadays is just ridiculous. They'll tell you what kind of fish is down there, how big they are, how many, their name, phone number, sister's address. Nothing can hide, seriously. No, but seriously, no fish is safe out in the Gulf of Mexico or wherever you may roam. Some other functionality features here, we're going to have our Mercury vessel view. Joystick already equipped on the twin Mercury 350 Verados. We'll get to those in a second. Double helm seat right here. Shorter fellow like myself, fear not. Got another platform. Get up, really get good vision looking around the whole boat. Like we talked about earlier, this is a hardcore fishing machine with family capabilities. So down here we have our first set of 2 live wells, and also, fold that up, got a nice little table that pops out. For all of you watching at home, I want you to do me a favor really quick. Close your eyes and imagine this. Alright, you don't really need to close your eyes, but it's a hot summer day, you're offshore, middle of the day, it's hot out, fish aren't biting, don't give them a choice. Put on your dive gear, hop in the water, and just shoot them. And when you do shoot them, you bring them up, you got plenty of room to store them, you got 2 insulated fish boxes, 1 in deck on each side of the boat, fit your whole catch, fit a whole limit, bring them home to mama, make her happy. We shoot these videos day in and day out, we spend a ton of time on these boats, but it never gets old. The first time you open up the head compartment down below, what do we say every time, Landon? Man, that's a big head. Can't believe how much room they put in there. Check it out. Nice big social zone lounging area right here on this seat. Does serve a purpose, however. Good place to store a lot of fishing rods, few dive tanks maybe. Keep them out of the elements. All the way up here, we've got 2 JL audio speakers. Really get the tunes cranking when everybody else is back there fishing. Lounge out, really nice upholstery. You gotta feel it for yourselves. And when I think of this boat, thank you, John, for bringing this up to me. Party in the front, business in the back. Let's take you down to the business end of things towards the stern. Before I get to the engines, you guys already know how I feel about them. Come on down here, I want to show you something. Look at the size of these big meaty trim tabs. You push those tabs down, you'll make this bow eat those waves up. Trust me. Taking this boat out in 7-footers, she eats. This never gets old for me right here. Walking up to a couple all-white Mercury 350 Verados, supercharged engines, beautiful 700 all-American horses pushing this boat through the water. When I see a Mercury Verado, I think tournament ready, no compromise, all-American horsepower. Now, if you guys have any other questions about this particular model or any other Boston Whalers in our lineup, come on down to MarineMax St. Petersburg and allow me to get you and your family and fishing buddies on your next dream boat. I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I'll see you later.